What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the PISEN Bolt Pro. This is a 100-watt variant. It does come with a 6-foot USB-C cable. It's a 100-watt wall charger for MacBook, iPad, iPhone, Samsung, and Google Pixelbook. This will work for pretty much anything that has a Type-C port. I would highly recommend buying a lower wattage one for a smartphone, though, if you're going to use this for a smartphone. Unless you're going to use this for both, and then it'll do both just fine. Most of the time, these will send the proper amount of power it needs to the device. You don't really have to worry about it, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and take a look at it. I don't know how this opens up, actually. I gotta figure that out. I think this just slides out. Yeah, just like that. Pops right out. So here's the actual device itself. Feels great. 100-watt GaN. This thing's pretty heavy, pretty hefty. It's got prongs, foldable, so it would be very, very compact to bring with you to places. As you can see, it says it'll charge your laptop, and it's probably an iPad. You got 2 USB-Cs and then 1 USB Type-A for your smartphone. Put it off to the side. Pull this bad boy out. And here's the actual charger itself. It's very braided. It's very nice. It feels great in the hand. Comes with a little rubber band. And then obviously we've got, that's a very long cable. How long is this? Yeah, this is a 6-foot cable. Okay, so I guess the other ones in my other videos were 3 feet, but still, 6 feet is awesome, especially if you want to use it to charge your laptop. But here we got a little user manual. Probably doesn't really have any information on it. It just gives you all the wattages and stuff, all the outputs. If you want to pause and take a look at that, you can. We've obviously got product appearance. Flip it around. We've got a bunch of warning lights. Or these are not warning lights. These are just warnings. Just don't do any of this stuff and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and close up the box since we won't be needing it. But yeah, that is the charger. It's very heavy. I was honestly expecting it to be a little lighter, but that's okay. It's a charger. It's supposed to be a little heavier. I can plug it into something, but it's gonna charge just fine. I can go get my laptop and we can plug it into that because I think that is pretty low on battery. So, and I really am bad at saying this in the beginning of the video. You can get this charger for about $47 on Amazon at the time I'm recording this video. So my laptop is at 52%. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see what it can do. Plug that in. We're going to plug that in into the bottom one. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in down here. I actually have another PISEN one that they've had me review. So if you guys want to check that video out, there will be a link up in the cards now. It does take up a lot of space on your power strip. So if you are going to, I would just bring this with you to like travel. And then you could charge your devices that way. And ignore my laptop, it's really dirty. It's one of my daily drivers, I gotta clean it. So we plug her in, immediately started charging. It says not charging, but for some reason my MacBook Air doesn't like to immediately say it's charging. So I'm gonna give it a minute and we'll see how long it says it's gonna take to charge. So it is charging. That means that, you know, the charger's working, but I don't know. I just don't really think there's a whole lot to talk about with these chargers. Thank you, PISEN, for sponsoring this video. There's not much else to talk about. Here is the charger. If you guys wanna check it out, there will be a link in the description below. It's gonna be an Amazon link. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Like if you liked it, dislike if that sucks. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already, and let me know what you guys want to see for future reviews in the comments below. I do have some projects coming up, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next video, and peace out.